get turned up. Yeah, my main. She my nigga for a reason. I can tell her all my secrets.
Hey guys, welcome back to the
Tishawn&Abby
Takeover. You want to speak? No, I'm not. Today we're gonna be doing the French fry challenge, and we got what's this? Checkers, Wendy's, Chick-fil-A, Popeyes, McDonald's, and then Burger King.
Believe it or not, we spent about $15 on fucking fries.
That's because you spent $3 on one fry.
Which one was it?
Don't say it. Alright, so.
What was it? Was it Popeyes?
Yeah.
$3 on Popeyes.
Yeah,
Shit.
Alright, so
They
this
have
is
a
how
dollar menu.
this is how we about to do it. We're about to blindfold each other, and then she gonna go, then I'm gonna go, and yeah, whoever got the most points at the end win.
Okay.
All right. All right.
Are you gonna feed it to me?
Duh.
Oh, okay. I thought I was gonna put my hand in there. Okay.
No. If I win, I want donuts.
Walmart?
Yeah.
You big. If I win, I want Jeremiah ice cream.
I knew you wanted that. I knew you did.
All right. So I go first?
Yeah.
All right. Should I take off my glasses?
Take them off. Ew.
Okay.
And we had these blindfolds from a previous situation, but yeah.
Where was it from? Okay, ready? Go. Do you have the fry ready?
No, fat ass. Don't be trying to cheat. I know you be cheating on the
cover
low.
my eyes. I'll just keep my eyes closed. Go ahead.
You ready?
Chick-fil-A? Don't tell me.
I'm not going to do all six. You're not going to know what I'm doing.
You have to do all six. I gotta take the flavor out of my mouth. Choking. Checkers. Wait, let me finish this one.
Hurry up. I don't got no day for you to chew, bro.
Why are you being cheap and giving me one fry?
Because you take too long to chew. I don't have all day.
Popeyes. Popeyes. Wait. Okay. McDonald's?
Relax, you beast.
Shut up. I never tasted these fries before. Burger King? I don't like this fries. How many fries is that?
Alright, this is the last one.
Where else did we go? What did I say so far? Wendy's? Did I say Wendy's already? These are probably Wendy's.
I don't know.
I think these are Wendy's. If I didn't, did I say it already?
Is Wendy's your final answer?
I'm trying to think if I already said Wendy's. Where did we go?
I don't
Wendy's.
know.
Okay, Wendy's.
Wendy's is your final answer?
I really want ice cream.
Yo, you fucking fat.
Yeah, Wendy's is my final answer.
You done. You did all done.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 5 out of 6 right.
Which one I messed up on? Burger King? Which one was Burger King?
You say you didn't know.
No, I did. I said Burger King.
Whatever.
You trying to cheat me? I'm getting ice cream.
I didn't go yet, so relax. Go.
Okay.
And don't try no funny shit.
You don't try no funny stuff. Oh, I'll put it upside down.
This is why I wanted to do it myself.
Shut up. Alright, can you see? Like, I was able to see through here, but that's why I just closed my eyes. Cause, can you see?
No, this shit feel mad loose. I'm good.
It covers your whole nose and everything. Can you
That's
breathe?
Yeah, I'm good.
Can you see?
No, the first time
So why you have your head up so high? Like
because
you're
the first
peeking?
time we ever used them, I saw through the bottom. I thought I could see through the bottom now, but I can't.
Okay.
It's cool. Go ahead.
Just you giving me peace. Being cheap with the fries. Open up.
This is either Checkers or Popeyes.
Pick one.
I didn't give my final answer. Chill out.
Your lips shaking.
Popeyes.
Popeyes?
Yeah.
All right.
Nah, the way you said all right, that means I think I'm wrong now.
Whatever. That's it. That's your final answer. You gave it. You're a cheater. I know you see.
What do I see?
Here.
Burger King. Don't be giving me old these skinny pieces because I just broke the fry in half so you wouldn't chew it on.
I'm not giving you no skinny pieces. Calm down. You feel some type of way? You feel like you're losing?
These french fries taste dirty. That's McDonald's. Don't eat extra, fatty.
I'm not.
That was McDonald's.
McDonald's? Okay.
Yeah.
You can wait. Open.
I just fillet.
You a cheater. You a cheater.
That Chick-fil-A. I should have got me a milkshake.
Me too. You didn't even buy Chick-fil-A. It was me. Oh, you bought Chick-fil-A. All right. Ready?
Wait, I still got some Chick-fil-A left. No, I take it back.
No,
This one
you
is
can't.
McDonald's.
You can't.
This one is McDonald's. Damn, I got one wrong.
Here you go. You are trying to look. Open your mouth. You're a fucking cheater. All you do is cheat.
Fuck off. What the fuck is these fries? That was Wendy's? Fuck. Damn, I'm not about to get on donuts. How? I think that was Wednesdays. Wendy's. Wendy's nuts drop in your mouth. Nah, Wendy's.
Wendy's?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
You be hitting me, so I don't trust you. That's it, I'm done?
Yeah.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
How much I got right?
You have 2 wrong, so you have 4 right. The McDonald's where you said that Burger King was McDonald's. And then the Checkers, you said it was Wendy's. So I'm getting Jeremiah ice cream.
That's a dub.
No, you're such a cheater, Tishawn. But yeah, guys, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe.
And share.
You mad? You don't gotta be mad.
Shut up. I really wanted them donuts.
You don't even know your French fries. And you eat more fast food than I do. That's sad. No donuts. Bye, guys. Touch on. Goodbye. She mad.